And I'm fine with these decisions. I really want that scrunchie. I'm not gonna lie, I really want that scrunchie, but no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Linda and I do love to talk about fashion. So if you're into that sort of thing, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and let's get straight into today's video. So today I have for you a Fendi unboxing, and this happened unintentionally because my lovely essay from Fendi, his name is Jean-Fred, reached out to me and he was just sending me pictures of all these new things that came in. And so luckily I didn't like a lot of things, but then there were a few things that I said, okay, I cave. And so yeah, he said I could either drop what I'm doing and go there immediately and pay for everything, or he could just ship it to me. And so it was like a standard flat rate $15 shipping fee, and that way I wouldn't have to leave work, I wouldn't have to worry about going. And I said, you know what, it kind of just saves me time and effort, so let me just have it shipped. So it is from my local Fendi, but it was shipped to me, and so it just arrived and I'm so super excited. I have not peeked at all, I promise. So let's go see what I bought. Alrighty, so it came in this box and it says from store manager, and I have my handy dandy box cutter. The package is open, and how small are the things I ordered? Throw that over there. Okay, so we have one large Fendi dust bag. Well, not that large, but large-ish. And we have, oh, by the way, this is from the, not from the boutique, but from the outlet. So that's why I'm guessing it doesn't have like the huge box, I'm assuming. But instead, I mean, some of them do. So for example, let me just show you them all. So the first item they were all in this large dust bag, but then I just took out, these two things were inside of there. And in this dust bag is, okay, yep, this is the scarf. Ah, I loved it. The second he showed it to me, I said, yes, send me that one. And the thing is with the outlet items, because they are so much less than buying them at the boutique, they go so fast. And so that is why, if you're wondering why didn't I just drive there the next day or something, it's hard for them to hold sale items. Have you not seen Confessions of a Shopaholic?
Okay, could you just put this to one side? I can't hold sale items.
Coincidentally, this is a scarf. Not planned. And okay, so this print is just so nice. Like, I can't even pinpoint the color. Like, it's like white, black, bluish. Like, there's definitely a hint of blue going on, but it's so like well put in there. Like, it's, I don't know if you can tell. So it's semi sheer. It's not like a really long big scarf. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. I just love this print. Right when I saw it, I knew I had to have it.
You do not need a scarf. Then again, who needs a scarf?
I can imagine just kind of wearing this one like a short neck scarf, and just kind of like, you know, maybe not like that. And I guess I'll have to cut that off, but yeah. Something like that. Like, I can picture like my big black like coat over this, and then this just kind of popping out. What do you think?
It would be an investment.
Love it. Or if I tie it another way, then I can just have it like this. But this is too I don't know about this way. This way seems kind of weird, but it's also cute. But I'm just loving the print. Like, this is adorable. I'm loving this. And so right here in this little corner, it just says Fendi Roma. And in here they put the receipt for me. So $275. Oh, that's actually the next item. This was $215. It says it's woven fabric And yeah, $215. So I think that's pretty good for a Fendi scarf if you ask me. And I'll have to check how much this was in the boutique, but I'm assuming it was at the very least, double. So to me, this is a really good deal, and it is my very first Fendi scarf. So I'm super excited, and I'm honestly so happy that they gave me a dust bag for my scarf. Like, yes, thank you, thank you. Because I know at Louis, they don't give you a dust bag for your scarf. I ask for one and then they give it to me, but they've never just like handed it to me like that. And then my next item is in this cute little box. And I know what you're thinking. You don't need another Twilly. No one needs another Twilly, okay? But it's beautiful and it's in the exact same print. Is that not adorable? I already put this one away, but look. They're the same. I just thought this was so pretty. So here's one side of it. And then here's the other side. Is that not gorgeous? Like, I just think this is so nice. And which bag will I put it on? I'm thinking, honestly, it kind of goes with all of them. It goes with my black Fendi. It'll go with my light blue Fendi, which is right there. But it's inside the brown Defender. I was about to say protector, but still it's a light blue peekaboo, so I think it'll go so well with this one. Oh, I'm just loving this. This is so very pretty. And then it'll also, I think it won't go with my red peekaboo. I mean, it could because there's enough black and white, and I guess the blue wouldn't really clash too much, but I feel like my other peekaboos, it's perfect, like spot on. Especially, I mean, think about it, with this one already has like the light blue, so I could swap out this pink one and just put this all over it, right? Like, whichever way I choose to put it, like, I just think that's so nice. And then I think I would take this off though to use it like that. So I just swiped my peekaboo from back there, but it is this nice like baby blue color, and so it would be absolutely perfect. In fact, I'm gonna take it completely out of the Defender. Okay, here it is. So here's my baby blue peekaboo, and yeah, this would be so nice. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad. I think this is so far my favorite item. No, I love the scarf too. Well, I don't have to have a favorite item. They're all beautiful. But yeah, I can literally put it like this. Or I can wrap it over here. Take this one off and then put this on there. And also, John Fred was the one who wrapped the Twilly on this one, which I'm so happy. He's like gifted when it comes to these things. He made like a little like braid design on it, which is why I'm not taking it off, because I feel like I'm not going to be able to recreate it the way he did. Same thing with the pink one. That's the only bad thing, is getting other Twillies on and you're not like an expert. But yeah, so my SA did do both of these, and maybe I'll pay him a visit to see if he wants to put this one on there for me, because I can do it, but he just does it like perfectly. So let's see what it would look like here. Let's just, okay, so this design, it's giving me like Hawaii vibes, like just tropical vacation. This is so beautiful. And then this way, it's giving me more like street fashion vibes, like just super cool, trendy. I'm loving it. And then I guess they just have all these like tags hanging. Oh, I'm like in love with this. And then I can even wear this like on my head, right? Like a little headband or something. I feel like that's very Blair from Gossip Girl, like when she would always have like the headbands or something. I'm kind of looking like a ninja, but you know what I mean, like not like this, but definitely something else. Or maybe even like the way stewardesses do it, and they like tie it up and have it like super pretty. Like, I don't know, I am obsessed with this. Oh my gosh, this is like the purchase of the month for sure. This is so gorgeous. I could not be happier with this. I think you can tell this is, oh, okay. Let's move on to the next item, because I could stay on this one forever. All right. And the last item is in this dust bag. Yes, yes. This is actually from the men's collection, and when he showed it to me, he just knows me. He knows me so well. So here it is. It just has the FF on this side, and then on this side it's got nothing, and it's so nice. It's black and gray, and on this side it's just black. And I was thinking this will be nice to put on like my peekaboos. It's silver hardware, which matches, I think, all my peekaboos. Yep, they're all silver hardware. Alright, so there you see it. So it's very much like a guitar strap. And then I just have to take the stickers off of here and there. Okay. So yeah, look at this. I feel like this, it's not a perfect match for this, but it's close enough. Like, it doesn't have to match perfectly. And I think this color is extremely wearable because I can wear it with my black peekaboo if I want like a longer, thicker strap. And honestly, there's just times where you want that more casual vibe. And I mean, look how cool this looks. I just feel like it's so sporty, so casual, like effortless chic. But I don't know, I just love it. It's very like street fashion too. What do you guys think? Also just like kind of hanging from there. Oh, this is so cute. Especially like the contrast with the blue. I think this might be one of my favorite unboxings. Like, this is great. I'm loving all 3 items. And I'm actually loving this more than I thought I would. And this strap wasn't as much as the others because it is actually not leather on this side. It's like fabric. Let me see if I could show you. So I'm not even sure exactly. Does it say on here? It's just a shoulder strap, strap you fabric. Okay. And then, yeah, this is beautiful. And again, this is from the men's collection, but to me, a lot of these things are very interchangeable, so I wasn't worried about that. I love things from the men's collection too. I think this is so, so perfect. And I've looked at straps. Fendi straps are so pricey, and that's why I don't have too many straps. I would love to, because I feel like the Peekaboo and some of their other bags, they have like a whole lot that you can mix and match, and that's so much fun to me. I feel like you can really make it your own, and I think that's why this is such a versatile bag, a versatile brand, because you can find people of all different kinds of like fashion interests, and they just kind of make the bag theirs, and I love that. So you can change up the straps or the twillies, or this will be a different size, different leather, different hardware, and it just kind of suits anyone and everyone. You just make it your own. And the straps are always just a little bit too much for me. They're like $1,000 or more. But this one was in the 200s because it's fabric on this side. And this side does still look like leather. But I guess because it's not on this side, that's why it's less. And you can see right there, it's like mostly this fabric. So it made it a lot more affordable. And to me, it doesn't look like something cheap or bad at all. Like, it's still very thick. I'm loving it. It looks very, very durable and like well put together, and it's comfortable. I love how comfortable it just felt on. Oh, I'm like in love. So tell me, which one's your favorite so far from this unboxing? Is it the strap? Is it this beautiful, they call it a wrappy. So instead of a twilly or a bandeau, they call it a wrappy at Fendi. And the scarf, which I have to fold much better in there, but yeah, I'm loving all 3 items. Are just beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. Maybe I should just wear this the rest of the video. I'm loving it. This is so like, I don't know. I feel like I'm ready to like go outside and just like wear all of it in like one, like have the wrappy, the bag, all of it. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And oh, I'm just admiring this. Okay, let me take it off because I feel like I'm just gonna be staring at it the whole time. There were two other things that he showed me that I fell in love with, but I just couldn't really justify the price. And so I'm gonna put it here on the screen. It's like a little like scrunchie and like that little head wrap. And honestly, I would have absolutely bought it because it was the same ones to match this. But again, the price, I just couldn't. I mean, it's a scrunchie and like a little head wrap for like $300. Like I may be a shopaholic, but I do have my limits. And that right there, it was a hard limit to try to not overcome, but I was good and I said, you know what, I can't. Like, it's a scrunchie. Literally a hair tie for that much. Oh, and I was going back and forth. I was like, but it comes with a little head wrap. And I was like, no, don't do it. And then the other thing was a bag that comes with a strap just like this one, but it also has like a little like, almost like, it looked like a wallet on strap instead of a wallet on chain. And the price was so much more. And I was like, well, I was trying to do the math, like if I just do the strap or if I do that bag that comes with the strap, I couldn't justify it. And not to mention, it just wasn't my style. It was another thing from the men's collection and it was really cool looking, but it just wasn't me. And I was like, I'm not gonna spend over $1,000 on something that I'm not even in love with. So I said, let me just get the strap instead. And I'm fine with these decisions. I really want that scrunchie. I'm not gonna lie, I really want that scrunchie, but no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so that wraps up today's video. I do hope you liked it. I had so much fun unboxing these items. I'm gonna go like, I feel like a little kid that I'm gonna go play with them, but you can't really play with them. You just admire their beauty and wear them, and I can't wait to go out and wear these. So if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you all for my next video. Side note, don't laugh at me, I really can't wink. Like, I don't know how people do it, but I'm not good at it, so it's like the one and only time you'll ever see that.